21st century literature from the Philippines to the world. Hello Ma'am Nova, good day. Today I'm going to present to you the topic that I have learned from this semester. And these are the topics that I'm going to discuss. Pre-colonial period, Spanish period, American period, Japanese period, contemporary or modern period. Literature. What is literature? From the Latin word lettera, which means letter or a handwriting. It could be a story of a man, or in order to know the history of nation's spirit, one must read its literature. Pre-colonial period. Pre-colonial existed before Spanish in 1500 and it's free from colonization. Oral literature based on oral tradition passed through generation to generation. Baybayin, national writing system of Philippines. Experiences, food hunting, work at home, caring for children. Language, forms could be poet, singer, or storyteller. This is the example of alphabet during pre-colonial period, Baybayin. Forms of literature, riddles, or bugtong-bugtong. A question or statement, typically a game in poetic structure. Proverbs or salawikain, a traditional saying that gives wisdom. Example, kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Tanaga, a mono-riming heptasyllable biquatrain. Example, mataas sa pag-upo, mahaba kung tumayo, kaibigan kung ginto. Epics, a Greek word epikos, a poetic story. Example, biyag ni lamang. Legend, a semi-true story which passed through generation to generation. Example, Maria Makiling at Alamat ng Pinya. Spanish colonial period. The Spanish period in the Philippines, which is lasted for over 3 centuries, began in 1565 when Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi arrived and ended in 1898 when the Philippine culture, language, religion, and society and making it significant era in nation's history. The Philippine literature changed to religion or Christian faith, shift from nature and natural phenomena to lives of saints, hymns, miracles, and invocations based on the teachings of the Catholic Church. Religious literature. Duplo, a native drama connected to Catholic morning ritual. Awit at Corredo. There was a form of narrative poetry. Awit typically dealt with themes of love, while Corredo often on heroic tales. Passion. The Passion is a narrative of the passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. It was popular religious literary form, often chanted or sung during Holy Week. Sinaculo, a dramatization about the life and death of Christ, often performed during religious festival, particularly during Holy Week. Moro-moro, it is one of the most popular types of theater that and depicts the conflicts between the Moros and the Christians. Themes like love and vengeance and religion predominate. American colonial period. During American colonial period, there are three periods during this time: the period of reorientation, period of imitation, and period of self-discovery and growth. Period of reorientation in 1898 to 1910. American War. During American War, Americans established public school system. English language was used as a medium instruction in public school, and their first teacher was the American soldier. Period of imitation. In 1910, 1924, Filipino writers were grouping their way into imitating American and British models, which resulted in a still, artificial, and unnatural style, lacking vitality and spontaneity. Period of self-discovery and growth. In 1965 to 1994, Filipino writers had acquired the mastery of English writing. They confidently write on a lot of subjects. They went to write like novel, drama, biography, and short story. Examples of American stage are Kahapon, Ngayon at Bukas, Tanikalang Ginto, Malaya, Walang Sugat. Japanese colonial period. Between 1941 to 1945, Philippine literature was interrupted in its development when the Philippines was again conquered by another foreign country, Japan. Philippine literature in English come to halt except for the Tribune and the Philippine Review. Almost all newspapers in English were stopped by the Japanese during this time. The weekly Liwayway was placed under strict surveillance until it was managed by Japanese named Ishiwara. Filipino poetry during this period. Haiku, a poem of free verse that the Japanese liked. It was made up 17 syllables, divided into 3 lines. Tanaga, like the haiku, is short but it had measure and rhyme. Each line had 7 syllables. Karaniwang anyo o usual form or common form of poetry. Filipino writers during the Japanese period are Jose Maria Hernandez, who wrote Panday Pera; Francisco Soc Rodrigo, who wrote Sa Pula sa Puti; Clodoaldo del Mundo, who wrote Bulaga; Julian Cruz Balmaceda, who wrote Sino Ba Kayo? At dahil sa anak ang higanti ng patay. 21st century literature. Century literature. It refers to works produced from the year 2000 onwards. It compasses wide of genre and styles, reflecting contemporary society's complexities, technological advancement, and global interconnections. Examples of 21st century genre are creative nonfiction, genre that blends factual accuracy with literary storytelling techniques. Example, personal essay, biography, or journalism. Hypertext poetry, a digital form of poetry, uses hyperlinks, multimedia element. Text talk novels or mobile textula, a modern genre that uses text messages. Example like Wattpad. Chick literature, a genre connect at female readers. Example, chicklet in the Philippines. Speculative fiction, a genre of literature that encompasses a wide range of fictional works that not based on real world. Example, fantasy, science fiction, magic realism. Flash fiction, known by various names like microfiction or many stories or short stories or shorts. A blog. A blog is an online platform where individuals share their views, experience, and information. Now we already heard the history of pre-colonial period to 21st century literature. The development of literature from the pre-colonial period to the 21st century has undergone significant transformation. Each historical period reflects the cultural, social, and political context of its time. We see that literature evolved from oral traditions to written, influenced by colonization, language shifts, and modernization. It also transformed from mythical and communal to political and individual, and now to global contemporary concerns. Technology was used of today's literature to reach wider audience, from oral, written, and today in modern time. The use of technology like internet, we see the evolvement of literature from pre-colonial to modern time. Thank you. Before I end this video, I would like to greet Ma'am Nova Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Thank you.